everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So in this video I want to give a review and a general product overview of these. Keep the balance. These are Swedish M90 over trousers. They are cheap, hard wearing and stupidly warm. So I don't know if I should do the whole video like this or kind of stand up. I guess I'll be a bit more professional. So yeah, I'll bring you in, I'll show you the features of it, and then I'll talk about my experiences of them. Okay, so they have two full length zips, so it goes all the way up there, all the way down to the bottom, so it goes up and down, so you've got two zips on each leg, one here and one here. It has hollow fibre quilted nylon lining, so it's nice and warm. Has an elasticated waist, it has reinforced knee patches on the inside, and has elasticated cuffs. Now I got this set from Military Mart for £12.50, and they are unissued, and they are grade A condition. So really very cool. So I'll quickly show you how the zips work in case you don't know how zips work. So at the bottom here you have a button if you wanted to secure that, and you can simply zip it all the way up to here, and here you can see the actual lining. So it's it crinkles up and it traps all that air, and my leg's getting cold so I'm going to wrap it back up. But yeah, it's really good. Zips are in perfect condition, run smoothly, and the elasticated bottom keeps all of the snow out. So overall, really impressed with the product. I'm going to quickly show you how high it comes up. So my belt line is about here, so it goes up nicely here, and it's all elasticated. And the back again is nice and high. So one thing I normally find, especially in the colder months, is as you squat down to tend to the fire or whatever you're doing, your jacket rides up and your trousers tend to ride down. That leaves the lower back quite cold, so this eliminates that. And I'd say for the price they are, and the heat that they kind of keep in, and as stylish as they are as well, they're absolutely fantastic. So I've had these now for about a month, and it's pretty cool because it's been the coldest month that I can remember anyway, at least in this country. So really have put them through their paces. I've camped in them, worked with them, or worked in them, and been in the woods, in the snow quite a bit, and they haven't let me down. My legs are the warmest part of my body right now, which is really cool. They've got wet. They have a bit of water repellency to them. They're not waterproof, but a light shower or snow just kind of bounces straight off them. So yeah, as I said, for the price they are, these are absolutely bomb-proof. They come from Sweden, and I believe they do get quite a lot of snow in Sweden, so I think they know what they're talking about. And they're just awesome. So wearing them, they're quite quiet to walk in. Some trousers or over trousers can be incredibly noisy when you're walking with them, but these aren't. Fit well. I am 5'10", waist size 32-34. I got a medium just to kind of give you an example of the size that you should order. Standard leg length, I guess. And yeah, really happy. So yeah, there's not really much more I can really say about them. Apart from they're warm, comfortable, stylish, and for the price they're at, everyone should own at least one pair of these. I mean, I'm actually going to order another pair because I can't get enough. And also, I'm going to probably get the parka next as well. There's an M90 parka that goes with this, and if it's anything like these, perfecto. So yeah, M90 over trousers, Swedish, £12.50, military mark. Buy them, you won't regret them. Thanks for watching, stay warm, and I'll see you soon.